Welcome to Talk Easy English.
Welcome back to Talk Easy English. If you are learning English, you know that talking about your daily life is one of the most useful skills you can have. Today we are talking about a topic everyone knows well: your day at home. We will walk through a full day step by step using simple sentences, warm tone, and plenty of clear repetition. Hello everyone, I am Emma, and as always, I am here with my friend Leo. Hello Leo.
Hello, Emma. Hello to all of our listeners around the world. I am doing so well, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
How are you feeling today, Leo?
I feel calm, I feel relaxed, and I am ready to talk. Talking about a day at home is my favorite topic, because home is a place where we feel comfortable.
I agree completely, Leo. Home is comfortable, and learning English should feel comfortable too. Today, we will take our time. We will speak slowly, gently, and clearly, so you can listen, understand, and practice speaking along with us.
That sounds wonderful, Emma. So, where do we start our day?
We start at the very beginning of the day. We start with the morning. Leo, what is the first thing that happens in the morning?
The first thing that happens is that I wake up. I wake up in my bed.
You wake up. Let us repeat that simple sentence together. I wake up.
I wake up.
What time do you wake up, Leo?
On a normal day, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes and I wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock too. Opening your eyes is waking up. But Leo, after you wake up, do you stand up immediately?
No, Emma, I do not stand up immediately. Sometimes I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Waking up means opening your eyes. Getting out of bed means standing up.
That is a great distinction. Waking up is first. Getting out of bed is second. First, I wake up. Then I get out of bed.
Let us practice those two sentences together. First, I wake up. Then I get out of bed.
Listen and repeat after us. First, I wake up. Then I get out of bed.
Excellent. After I get out of bed, I walk into the bathroom. I brush my teeth and I wash my face.
Brushing your teeth and washing your face helps you feel awake and fresh.
Yes, it freshens you up. I wash my face with cool water. The cool water feels so nice on my skin.
I do the same thing every morning. I wash my face and I brush my teeth. Let us repeat those daily actions together. I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
I wash my face. I brush my teeth.
What do you do after you leave the bathroom, Leo?
I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite room in the morning because I love my morning drink.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink a large glass of water first. Drinking water in the morning is very good for your health. After water, I make fresh coffee.
Ah, fresh coffee. The smell of coffee in the morning is so wonderful. It fills the whole kitchen.
It really does. You can say, I make coffee, or you can say, I brew coffee. Both mean making a warm cup of coffee.
Let us repeat those sentences together slowly. I drink water. I make coffee. I brew fresh coffee.
I drink water. I make coffee. I brew fresh coffee.
What about breakfast, Leo? Do you eat breakfast right away?
Yes, I like to eat a simple, light breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter or a bowl of warm oatmeal with fruit.
Oatmeal with fruit is a very healthy breakfast. I usually eat whole wheat toast and a boiled egg.
Eating breakfast gives your body good energy for the day ahead. Let us repeat those sentences. I eat breakfast. I eat toast and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy.
I eat breakfast. I eat toast and fruit. Breakfast gives me energy.
Now that we are awake, clean, and full of breakfast energy, what comes next in the late morning at home?
In the late morning, it is time to take care of our living space. We do simple house chores.
Chores. Chores are the small jobs we do to keep our house clean and tidy.
Yes, keeping a tidy home helps you keep a calm mind. The first small chore I do every morning is making my bed.
Making the bed is so important. You straighten the sheets, you pull up the blanket, and you arrange the pillows nicely.
When you make your bed first thing in the morning, your bedroom looks clean immediately. Let us repeat that sentence. I make my bed.
I make my bed.
What other simple chores do you do around the house in the morning, Leo?
After I eat breakfast, I do the dishes. I wash my plate, my cup, and my spoon in the sink.
Doing the dishes keeps the kitchen clean. Notice that in English, we use the word do for many house chores. I do the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the cleaning.
That is a great rule to remember. Let us repeat those 3 chore sentences together slowly. I do the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the cleaning.
I do the dishes. I do the laundry. I do the cleaning.
Emma, what does I do the laundry mean?
Doing the laundry means washing your clothes. You put your dirty clothes into the washing machine, you add soap, and you wash them. After they are clean, you dry them and fold them neatly.
Laundry has a few steps, but the phrase is simple. I do the laundry.
What about the floors, Leo? How do you keep the floors clean?
I sweep the floor with a broom, or I vacuum the carpet. Sweeping removes dust and small dirt from the floor.
Let us practice those action sentences together. I sweep the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I wipe the kitchen counters.
I sweep the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I wipe the kitchen counters.
Look at how many useful sentences we have learned already. Doing house chores keeps our home fresh, bright, and welcoming.
After finishing our morning chores, the clock strikes 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock. It is afternoon.
In the afternoon, it is time for lunch. Leo, what do you usually eat for lunch when you are at home?
I like a light, fresh lunch. I often make a colourful salad with vegetables, or I warm up a bowl of soup.
A bowl of warm soup is so comforting, especially on a quiet day. I usually make a simple sandwich with cheese, tomatoes, and cucumber.
Making a sandwich is very quick and easy. Let us repeat these lunch sentences together. I make lunch. I eat a fresh sandwich. I drink a cold glass of water.
I make lunch. I eat a fresh sandwich. I drink a cold glass of water.
After eating lunch, what do you do with your dirty plate and glass, Emma?
I wash them in the sink right away. I do not like leaving dirty dishes in the sink. Washing them immediately keeps the kitchen neat.
That is a great habit. Once the kitchen is clean, the afternoon is a wonderful time for quiet, personal activities and relaxation.
Yes, after working or cleaning in the morning, your body and your mind need a short rest.
What do you like to do when you rest in the afternoon, Emma?
I love sitting on my comfortable armchair near the window. I open a good book and I read for 30 minutes. Reading in a quiet room is so peaceful.
Reading is wonderful. I like sitting on my balcony or near an open window. I listen to soft music or an educational podcast while enjoying the fresh air.
Listening to a podcast in English is a fantastic way to practice every day. Let us repeat these relaxing afternoon phrases. I sit in a comfortable chair. I read a good book. I listen to soft music. I take a short break.
I sit in a comfortable chair. I read a good book. I listen to soft music. I take a short break.
As the afternoon ends, the sun begins to set. The sky turns soft orange and pink, and evening arrives.
Evening is my favorite time of the day at home. The energy changes. The day slows down, and everything becomes quiet and cozy.
What is the main event of the evening at home, Leo?
Preparing and eating dinner. Dinner is the warm evening meal that brings people together.
I love cooking dinner. Cooking can be very relaxing if you take your time. You chop fresh vegetables, you add spices, and you cook a delicious meal on the stove.
What do you like to cook for dinner, Emma?
I enjoy cooking warm pasta with fresh tomato sauce, or rice with vegetables and chicken. What about you, Leo?
I like making warm vegetable soup or rice with grilled fish and vegetables. The warm food feels so comforting in the evening.
Let us repeat these evening cooking sentences together slowly. I cook dinner. I chop fresh vegetables. I eat a warm meal.
I cook dinner. I chop fresh vegetables. I eat a warm meal.
After dinner is finished, we clear the table. We take the plates, glasses, and utensils to the kitchen sink and wash them cleanly.
Clearing the table after eating is a polite and helpful habit. Everyone in the family can help clear the table.
Once the kitchen is clean and dinner is complete, it is time to wind down.
Wind down. What a lovely phrase, Emma. What does it mean to wind down?
To wind down means to slowly relax your mind and body before going to sleep. You stop working, you turn off loud noises, and you prepare yourself for rest.
How do you wind down in the evening at home, Emma?
I dim the bright lights in my living room. I make a warm cup of herbal tea, like chamomile tea. I sit with my family on the sofa, and we talk softly about our day.
Sitting on the sofa and talking with family or friends is the best way to end the day. Sometimes we watch a calm movie or a relaxing show on television together.
Let us practice these evening wind-down phrases. I dim the lights. I drink warm tea. I sit on the sofa. I talk with my family. I relax and wind down.
I dim the lights. I drink warm tea. I sit on the sofa. I talk with my family. I relax and wind down.
Finally, night arrives. It is 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, and it is time for bed.
Your body feels heavy and tired, and your eyes want to close.
You walk into your bedroom. You change into soft, comfortable pajamas. You walk to the bathroom to brush your teeth one last time and wash your face with warm water.
Then you walk back to your bedroom. You turn off the main bedroom light. You turn on a small, soft lamp next to your bed.
You climb into your soft, clean bed. You pull the warm blanket up to your shoulders. You turn off the small lamp. The room becomes dark, quiet, and peaceful.
You close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath, and fall asleep.
Let us shadow these final bedtime sentences together out loud. I put on comfortable pajamas. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I pull up the warm blanket. I close my eyes and fall asleep.
I put on comfortable pajamas. I turn off the lights. I get into bed. I pull up the warm blanket. I close my eyes and fall asleep.
What a peaceful, wonderful day at home we have shared together today.
We walked all the way from waking up in the morning, doing our daily chores, enjoying lunch, relaxing in the afternoon, cooking dinner, winding down, and finally going to sleep.
Every single sentence we practiced today is simple, useful, and real. You can use these exact words to describe your own daily life to anyone in English.
If you want to build strong speaking confidence, listen to this episode again while you walk, clean your home, or relax. Repeat the sentences out loud with us every time.
Small, consistent practice every day creates permanent confidence over time. We are so proud of your hard work today.
Thank you for spending your time with us on Talk Easy English. Keep practicing, stay calm, and keep speaking.
Have a beautiful day at home, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.